Hi everyone, it's me, Miss France, the art teacher again. And the last video we did an optical illusion. So I thought we should keep it going and do another optical illusion. Ooh. All right, so I'm going to switch to my other camera so that we can get started. And this is super easy. All right, let me pin my other video. Let's see, where is it? Why is it doing this to me? Okay, there we go. I'm assuming, nope, can't assume that it is, let me go view gallery. Maybe then now I can pin it. All right, pin this video. All right, so I'm gonna lay this right here. And I'm gonna bring my camera around so that you can see it. Now, we don't have to use a whole piece of paper unless you want to make it big. So, but I'm going to use half a sheet of paper. So you need a piece of paper. Going to need a pencil. I'm going to use a Sharpie just so that you guys can see my lines. And you can either color it one color, or you can do multiple colors. I'm going to use this tiger orange because I did purple earlier, just so I could do something different. All right, so the first things first, let me bring the camera down so you can see y'all close. The first things first is that I'm going to draw a circle in the middle. Now, when you're drawing a circle, you need to rotate. And rotate means move your hand in a circle. And when you're ready to make your circle, I'll make this a smaller circle because I did half paper. Gently let the pencil touch the paper. Now, oh, that's right. I said I was going to use a Sharpie so you guys can see it. So I'm going to do it again. Rotate, rotate, rotate. And when you're ready, gently touch the table or the paper. And you don't want to go hard, because if you press down hard, it's like hitting the brakes on your bicycle. So then you're going to get a lumpy circle. But it's okay if you get a lumpy circle. It'll be very interesting for the art project. So now I have to draw a line to divide this circle down the middle this way. And I'm going to turn it and divide down the middle this way. So now I'm going to make the curved lines like it is on here. And I'm going to do 3 lines. Now on this side, the curves are going to curve to the left. So 1, 2, 3. And on the right side, they're going to curve to the right. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to turn my paper this way and do the same thing. Okay, again, 1, 2, 3. The circle's on the left. And 1, 2, 3. The circle's on the curved lines on the right. So now already I'm creating an optical illusion. It's already starting to look like it's rounded. These are called contour lines. And so I could put these contour lines on it, and it helps give it a feel of being curved on a flat surface. So now I'm going to make the background, which is this checkerboard pattern. So I'm just going to make some vertical lines. And I'm just going to scoot over a little bit each time I make a vertical line. Now, when I run into my sphere shape, my circle shape, I'm going to pretend like it stops and goes behind it. So stop, start on the other side. Stop, other side. Stop, finish on the other side. Stop, finish on the other side. And then I'm just going to keep going till I get to the close to the end of the paper. That's good enough. And then, of course, I got to do it this way. And move back so it's all in the screen. Oh, I could just lift my camera up a little bit. There we go. And again, just keep going all the way down. But once I run into the ball, stop, start again on the other side. Stop, finish on the other side. Stop, Finish on the other side. Stop. Finish on the other side. Now I can just make straight ones. And now I'm gonna just turn it back. Now, if you want to keep your paper vertical, like it looks like this is the way you want to have your artwork, then keep your paper vertical. But I'm gonna just go back to horizontal, make sure it can fit on the screen. Now, this is where you really need your pencil. I'm going to create a little shadow. I'm just going to color a little bit underneath, around where I consider the bottom of the ball, just that bottom half. And now I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to rub my pencil line. And that's going to help create a shadow. Now I'm going to bring it in close so you can see. See that shadow I just created? Helps it look like it's already off the paper, like it's on top of this. It's really three-dimensional. So it's you can stop here if that's what you want to do. But of course, you know, it wouldn't be a Miss Brand's project if we didn't add color. So now let me go ahead and add color. Now, because it's a checkerboard pattern, that means I got to do every other one. And I'm going to go ahead and start on my sphere. And it says I did that one, skip. This one, skip. That one, skip. Now, unfortunately, when I did this curve, it kind of went a little high. So it just kind of blocked those off, but it's fine. So now this one's kind of, so this one be skip. This one, skip. This one, skip. This one, skip. And this one. And I just keep going. Here, skip. And then this one, skip. And skip. And let's see. Let me turn my paper this way, vertical. Maybe it'll be easy for you guys to see since this branch is left-handed. Skip. Now this one, skip. 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 Now, let's see. So that would be a skip. That one, skip. 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 Okay, skip. So that means I do this one. And if you want to, you can go ahead and put like a dot in the ones that you need to do. That way you don't have to keep hearing me say skip. And if you see you missed a little white spot, just go back and just touch it. Okay, so that'd be skip. So in here. And then this one. And so now I have my sphere still looking three-dimensional on this screen. And I can do the background the same color. Or if you, the artist, want to change the color up, go right ahead. But I'm going to go ahead and just stick with this orange. Now, one way you can go ahead and trace around the edges on the inside and fill with lines. That way you just know you're staying in the lines. And you can go ahead and do all the lines on that row. And it's easier, just come back. And then I can go to the next row. It's just however you feel comfortable filling in your boxes. Like I said, this was a quick and super easy optical illusion for us to create. And the illusion is that this ball is rounded, and with the shadow, it looks like it's off the paper or sitting on top of the paper. Really, when it's a flat line. All right, everyone. Well, I'm going to go ahead and finish coloring. It looks like I'm going to have a phone call. And I will finish this video this time. Let me unpin my video. Remove pin. Actually, I can pause the recording. All right, everyone, I'm back. Sorry about that. That was an emergency phone call I had to take. But I colored another row while we were doing that. Uh-oh, I think I have the camera turned sideways. Upside down. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Interesting. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Huh. Maybe this way. All right, there we go. All right. So let me go ahead and finish, and then our video is done. All right. Let's see. And if you would like to, you can always go back and add in a little more shadow. I think I'm going to do that too after I finish coloring. And again, just do every other square, and you have a choice of color, or whether you're going to color it at all or not. You can even just color it with your pencil, which would make it very interesting. Or crayons, color pencils. If you have paint at home, you could probably paint it. There's so many choices. And I'm almost done. And so, like I said, you could add a little more. Want to make it a little darker, color it a little darker, and still spread it, move it out with your finger. Or if you have a tissue, if you don't want to get your finger all dirty, you could do it with a tissue or a Q-tip too. And there you have another optical illusion. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me remove the pin and pin me back. So everyone, that was another quick video with me, Miss Branch, the art teacher. And we made another optical illusion. I'm not sure what we're going to do next week, but I'm going to look for some more stuff that we can make, because I did have a lot of fun when we made the turtles and things. And I'm going to find some more cartoon characters to make for us. All right, everyone. See you next video.